explanation, let us see and live example in Minitab how to do CP/CPK in Minitab. So as you said, CP is nothing but process capability. CP is defined as the process capability, and CP value states that the percentage that we are consuming the total tolerance for the Six Sigma variation. More than 2 CP is a good process. So this is a formula for CP. CP is equal to USL minus LSL divided by 6 sigma. So in this case, this is a formula, and the example they given 4 plus or minus 1 mm. This is a dimension. LSL is 3 and USL is 5. Sigma is 0.1 mm. Process mean is 4 mm. So the CP value is 3.33. Now let us draw manually the standard bell curve with a standard chart. So this is your 3 and this is your 4. Yellow LSL 4 drawing mean, then USL 5. So what is a process mean? 4. That means you are overlapping on the design drawing mean or designed mean, design requirement. Now what is your sigma? From 0.1 mm from process mean positive and negative 0.1 mm. So you need to connect like this. This is a bell curve. Okay, this is a CP. So like that example, now it has come 0.66. Why? Because your standard deviation is more. That's why it is less. This is one more example for CP. So next is CPK, process capability index. This is nothing but your index. That means how much your data or a process mean is deviated from the drawing mean. CPK is defined as a process capability index, and the CPK value states that how far each side of the data, lower and upper, is distributed from the drawing mean for 3 sigma variation. By 3 sigma we are considering lower and upper, no, from the middle. Therefore, more than 1.5 CPK is a good process. There are two formula for CPK1 and there is one more formula CPK2. CPK1 is equal to USL minus X bar divided by 3 sigma, X bar minus LSL divided by 3 sigma. So in this, whichever comes is lesser, we need to consider and improve to the drawing mean. So same way the calculated CPK value, both are 3.33. That means uniformly there is a distribution. And this is an example for you to draw the bell curve for all this process and state which process is good. So drawing mean is given, lower and upper spec is given, process mean is given, sigma standard deviation is given. So you draw the bell curve for all this so that you can understand more better what is CP/CPK. Okay. So now did we understand CP/CPK? CP is equal to achieving less variation in the process. That can be a process characteristics or product characteristics. CPK is equal to achieving drawing mean with less variation is called CPK. So now let us see a live example of CP/CPK calculation. So I'll take dimension dia 4 plus or minus 1 mm. Say 1 mm. So say I take 4.01, 4, 4.02, 4, 4, 4, 4.03, 0.06, 3.90, 3.89, 3.99, 4, 4, 4. So some 15 data I have taken. Now go to stat, quality tools, capability analysis. Say I'm assuming the data is normal and I'm selecting the data in single column. Subgroup I'll say 1. So what is subgroup? At a time I went to the process and collected 10, 15 data. Therefore it is a 1. Subgroup is 1. So lower spec is 3, upper spec is 5, then historical mean is 4. Then you go to options. Within subgroup analysis, over analysis, both you give and say okay and say okay. So you will get the chart of CP/CPK. Now the process is very much capable. CP is 13, CPK is also 13. That means the data that you have produced is overlapping with the drawing mean as well as you have lesser standard deviation. This we can consider as a very good process. Now let me change some data here and see. I have changed a little bit. Now I'll update the result. Now if you see, it is not capable because the data is distributed elsewhere. Sometimes USL has come, sometimes LSL has come, more than out of spec also has come. Therefore, it will not satisfy the requirement. This is a not okay process. Why sigma is very more. So what is this overall within? Within is nothing but for the given data. Overall means in the future it may come like this. It will not be like this, it will become like this. So this is the representation of prediction. Okay, so this is an example of CPCPK in the Minitab.